Hi guys. Welcome to my video. This is Kazi from idealweb.com, and today on this video I will show you how you can change the Divi logo of your Divi website. By default Divi comes with this logo, so if you want to change it then you need to go to the backend of your Divi website, and under the Divi you will get a Divi theme options. Then another general tab you will get the option called logo. Then press the upload button, and from upload files click select files. So our logo is uploaded from our computer. Press set as logo and click save changes. Let's test it on our front end. Refresh it from front end. Our logo is changed. So this is how we can change the logo of our Divi website. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and find it useful. If you have any question, please comment below and subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more videos from me. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching guys.